3D Max House Model. What is 3D Max modeling? 3D Max House Model, 3D modeling, as well as providing play a really important function in the building sector in the promotion as well as advertising and marketing of a range of projects. Autodesk 3ds Max, previously 3D Workshop and 3D Studio Max, is an expert 3D computer system graphics program for making 3D animations, designs, video games, and images. It is often made use of by computer game developers, several TV commercial studios, and building visualization workshops. 3D designed construction tasks benefit from much better lead times, setting you back, stability, as well as security. The technology uses engineers as well as developers, even more, area to experiment and be innovative. Drone technology, coupled with 3D modeling, can likewise be utilized to assess continuous construction work constantly. Building firms use 3D Max house models, 3D modeling and also rendering, computer animation techniques, as well as walkthroughs to show their job. 3D rendering is an approach that is made use of to convert a 3D model right into images with photorealistic results. A great visualizer needs to be able to work not only with interiors but additionally be prepared to imitate a home, building, or home. It is all the easier since the principles of producing home windows, doors, wall surfaces, and everything else is roughly the very same there and also there. Yet to lead a project without 3D Max house model is difficult. Visualizations are pictures of future buildings. They are needed since it is impossible to get involved in the head of the consumer. The visualization of a completed home in 3ds Max always starts with a drawing. About 3D Max House Model Training Certification. 3D Studio Max VRAY is a very prominent training for developing 3D computer animation. It's a wonderful place to begin for newbies due to the fact that it's fairly very easy to discover and also there's a lot of tutorials around to aid you to start. 3D Max House Model training has scope in every industry which belongs to style and also structure. Also in facilities and also building and construction job, which called for product development, the program has a massive array. If you're interested in the video gaming world, with this program, you can profit majorly. This is mainly since it has a far better UI than Maya. Significance of 3D Studio Max VRAY training in 2021. With the boosting focus on cloud computing and framework over the last several years, cloud architects are in great demand worldwide. Lots of organizations have transferred to shadow systems for much better scalability, wheelchair, and safety, and cloud solutions architects are amongst the highest possible paid specialists in the IT sector. After you achieve this cloud solutions qualification, you end up being qualified for some of the gratifying occupation possibilities as a solutions engineer, network engineer, software program designer, and cloud engineer. The principles covered in this program are discussed in easy-to-understand manner by very certified fitness instructors at Simplilearn. There are minimal requirements involved in taking this course. This makes the Cloud Engineer training course appropriate for newbies as well. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for 3D Max house model training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best 3D Studio Max training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for 3D Max house model training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/